When I experienced hair thinning for myself is when I really started to focus on scalp health all the way from my shampoo to my styling products. So here are two of my faves for scalp health from Surface. First, the Awaken Scalp Detox is my must-have because I tend to go longer between washes. So this is great because it's made especially for thinning hair and it gently cleanses and exfoliates the scalp while also nourishing your hair follicles. I just massage it into my hair for 1 minute and then rinse and condition as usual. It just makes your scalp feel incredible. It's just so clean and fresh feeling. And then we're ready to style it with my second staple product, which is the Awaken Blow Dry Foam. This is especially great if you have fine hair like me because this foam protects and reinforces the hair cuticle while also repairing with amaranth protein. I just apply this from roots to ends. It's really lightweight with a flexible hold and heat protection that makes my hair feel and look thicker, which is why I love it so much. You can find these products and more that I featured from Surface on surfacehair.com.